Hi, this is Keith Young, and I'm going to cover how you set up a new email account inside of Microsoft Outlook. It really doesn't matter too much which version of Microsoft Outlook that you're using. They pretty much work all the same. But I'm going to go through this tutorial on Microsoft Outlook 2007. The first thing you'll need to do to get started is launch your Microsoft Office, and when the window is open, you'll go to the Tools menu and scroll down to the Account Settings. You're going to want to create a new account, so click on the New button. And in the window that pops up, you want Microsoft Exchange or POP3. Make sure that that's selected and then choose the Next button. From here, you're going to want to make sure that you actually choose the manual configuration. So click on the manually configure server settings or additional server types, and then click the Next button. Make sure that the Internet Email Radio button is checked, and then click Next. Put in your name, and this is your name as you want it to be viewed by people that you send emails to. So if it's a generic name like info or tech support, you'll put that name in there. If it's a personal email or business account with your name on it, you'll want to put your name in there so that when you send out emails, people will be able to see exactly who it's coming from. Since this is a tech support email, I'm going to go ahead and put tech support as my name, and then the email address itself. The account type is POP3, and the incoming mail server is mail.whatever domain name is your email. So this domain name is metrodetroithousingservice.org. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And it's the same thing for the outgoing mail server, mail.metrodetroithousingservice.org. The username is the email address of the account. So tech support at metrodetroithousingservice.org. And the password is whatever your system administrator sent you. You may have to contact your system administrator to find out what your password is to your new email account. Once you have it, you go ahead and enter it in here. And we're going to go ahead and click on the button that says Test Account Settings to see if everything that we've set up works so far. So far, logging into the incoming mail server seems to be working just fine. I'm going to go ahead and stop this process because I'm going to show you an additional setting that you're going to have to set. So I'm going to click Stop and close. Now we're going to go to the More Settings tab. Under the More Settings tab, click on the outgoing server. You're going to want to click the box that says My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication. Make sure this button is checked, and then make sure that the radio button Use Same Settings as My Incoming Mail Server is checked as well. In the Advanced tab, where it says Outgoing Server SMTP, make sure that 2525 is in that box, and then click OK. We're going to click on the button for Test Account Settings once again. And as you can see, Congratulations, all tests completed successfully. Click Close to continue. This means that both your incoming mail server and your outgoing mail server has been successfully created, and you'll be able to receive and send emails from that account. So we're going to click Close here, and then the Next button. Congratulations, you have successfully entered all the information required to set up your account. To close the wizard, click Finish. Alright, so here is your new account under tech support at Metro Detroit, or whatever your domain name is, your name and domain name is. Alright, so click Close, and you'll be able to receive those emails in your inbox. Alright, so thanks for viewing. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about setting up your email account using Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, thank you.